So that was actually a very easy example, and for you to know how it was done, let us do like a little bit more complicated one for you to make a little review. I really encourage you to do this on your own before checking the answer, and well, that's for you to get better and have more practice in this because for sure this will be in your exams because it's one of the first themes and many people forget how to do it. Okay, and it's just it's a question of mechanizing things. So let's turn this number 163. That's decimal. We're gonna turn it into binary. Okay, I like to write a little bit. Okay, so try it. Try to do it on your own. I'll solve it here. Okay, so I really encourage you to pause this video and do it on your own and check your answer with this video. Okay, well, I'll assume you pause it. So let's start with this. So we have 163. We're gonna divide it over 2. That is an 8, a 0, 3, a 1, and a 1. Okay, so I write this 1 over here, and I get this 81 over 2. That is a 4, a 0, a 1, a 0, and I write a 1 over here. And you come here, then you have a 40 over 2. And that is a 2, 0, 0. You have a 0 over here, and it goes here, and you write a 0, and then you get a 20 over 2, that is a 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. I love saying 0. I lost my cursor. What is it? Oh, here it is. Okay, so I have a 10 right now over 2. That's a 5. And 0. I'm going to write a 0 over here. And I'm going to write a 5 over here once again. I'm going to divide it over 2. That is a 2, remainder 1. I'm going to write the remainder over here. And once again, the 2 over 2. That's a 1. I get a 0. And I write the 0 over here. And finally, I need to write a 1 over 2. That is a 0. And I write a 1. Okay? So this is the binary representation of 163. Okay, check your answer. Just make sure it's okay. And okay, I now encourage you to pause the video and check that your answer is okay. We're gonna write that exact same number, and we're gonna check that it's okay by converting it to decimal. You should pause your video and start doing it on your own. Okay, and I'm gonna go to decimal. Okay, now I assume that you have paused your video and you have checked your answer. So I'm gonna start working with this thing. Let me just erase this guy, that's too ugly. There you go, it's better. So, as you remember, we should just like write the exact same number, like here, little space. Okay, next to it, we're gonna write the powers of 2. You should learn this by heart, okay? They're gonna make you happy people. So it's a 2 to the 0, 2 to the 1, 2 to the 2, 2 to the 3, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 5, 2 to the 6, and 2 to the 7. This is a 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, and 128. Okay, so now I'll change color for us to be like different. I'm gonna use a green. And well, just do a multiplication here. A very easy multiplication. 1 times 1, it's 1. 2, 0, 0, 0, 32, 0, 128. And we just add everything up. And we need to check that that is equal to 163. Okay, so 130, 160, yeah, 163. Okay, so I didn't screw it up. And this is base 10, and there you go. Okay, that's your answer.